What up, y'all? As y'all see, man, these are the results right here. So y'all, she was gonna customize this thing. She only wrote, I think, like once and just started customizing. I'm like, that's what's up, though. I helped out a little bit though, but you done most of it by herself though. Pulled the plastics off, painted all the grates on the inside right there. Got the pink accents on it. It's hot though. It's hot. Got my gloves on right now. I just took her around the block. It's move. She moves. She get down. But yeah, she got the grates and stuff painted. Got that pink accents on it, and she put these pink strips going around the wheels. They light up at night. Those is hot too. So that's pretty much what she done to it right there. And this is one of the first things she put on right here. Y'all seen this on the last video. Yeah, that's it right there though, man. That right there's customized CBR 2006 CBR 1000, and she got a sucker lowered all the way to the ground. You can see how far the triple tree went down. She had to drop that much. That's about like almost 3 inches right there. It's right there, y'all. It's right there. She moved. Be on the lookout, man. My bike might be coming this week. Hopefully. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna get, but y'all will see it though. See that big fry. Alright, man, thank y'all for tuning in. I just got done doing a video on my 4-wheels, doing the air fits on that joint. But thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's your host right here, Beastie. Catch y'all on the next video. Go home. If anybody wanting to see the rebuild of my garage in process right now, I got a first video that's up right now. Y'all can go check that out. It's on my other page. Make sure y'all check that page out, the DDP Experience. You can see the first part of this rebuild right here was like just the tear down right now. Just tore everything down, clean everything up out of it. Got the car and got the bikes and everything out of it though. Make sure y'all check that video out. Subscribe to that channel also.